New Triumph Daytona 140 Unveiled, a fusion of tradition and innovation. Triumph, the renowned British motorcycle manufacturer, has once again set hearts racing with the much-anticipated unveiling of its latest masterpiece, the Triumph Daytona 140. A beloved icon in the realm of sports bikes, the Daytona series has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance and style. With the unveiling of the Daytona 140, Triumph reaffirms its commitment to innovation while honoring the rich heritage of the Daytona lineage. A triumph of engineering. At the heart of the Daytona 140 beats a newly developed 140cc inline triple engine, meticulously engineered to deliver an exhilarating riding experience. Boasting a perfect balance between power and agility, this powerhouse of an engine promises adrenaline-fueled thrills on both the track and the open road. With its refined throttle response and seamless power delivery, the Daytona 140 offers riders a symphony of performance that is both exhilarating and addictive. Uncompromising design. True to its legacy, the Daytona 140 embodies Triumph's commitment to uncompromising design and craftsmanship. Every curve, every contour of this machine has been meticulously sculpted to not only enhance aerodynamics, but also evoke a sense of timeless beauty. From its sleek, aggressive stance to its signature twin headlights, the Daytona 140 commands attention from every angle, signaling its dominance on the asphalt.